A boring content agency that made me cross $10,000 in just 6 months. No fancy office, no big team, just me, my laptop, and a skill I learned while everyone else was partying. Sounds too simple? Good. Because most people overthink this stuff. Let me break it down for you. What's up? I am Uzef and I've been in the content game from around 5 years now. And I've been doing editing, creating and building brand from scratch. I've worked with real estate agents, coaches, e-com founders and creators who started with zero following and helped them go viral and actually make money through their content. Today I'm sharing 5 real lessons that changed everything for me. Not a motivational fluff, just stuff that actually works. Truth 1. Timing is everything. Hard work matters, but being early matters more. Back in 2020, when Reels and TikTok were blowing up, everyone thought it was just dance videos. The creators who started posted back then, they're now running 6 figures personal brands. Right now, the same opportunity is on YouTube Shorts and long-form storytellings. If you start today, not next month, you will be ahead of 99% of people who are still planning. The opportunity is right here. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. Don't be most people. Second truth, everyone starts messy. When I started, I was talking $50 gigs, staying up till 3 AM editing random videos and barely making $200 a month. It actually sucked, but it taught me everything. Here's the truth. Struggle doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are actually in the game. Every creators I've worked with started messy. Low views, awkward delivery, poor lighting, but they kept posting. You don't need a studio or a team. You just need your phone, a clear message, and the guts to post even when it's not perfect. Third truth, speed beats perfection. Most creators fail because they move too slow. They overthink, rewrite script 10 times, and spend 3 weeks planning the perfect video, while someone else posts 10 good ones and blows up. Here's what I tell my clients. Your first 20 videos are just practice. Stop chasing perfection. Chase momentum. Because speed teaches you more than planning ever will. The faster you create, the faster you grow. Fourth truth, focus on one thing. If you're trying to grow, don't spread yourself everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, that's how you burn out. Pick one platform, pick one lane and go all in. I learned this the hard way. Once I focused on content strategy and editing, everything clicked. That's how I went from random gigs to working with 40 plus brands and generating millions of organic views. So stop trying to do it all. Dominate one lane first. Fifth truth, start with $1,000, not with $1 million. Everyone wants to make 6 figures. Cool. But if you haven't made your first $1,000 yet, that's where you start. Find your first client, get your first win, help one person grow. That's how you build momentum. Small wins stacked over time. Every big brand starts with one post, one result, and one testimonial. Stop dreaming about the end goal. Focus on the next step right in front of you. If you are trying to build your personal brand or grow your business through content, and if you are tired of guessing what to post or how to make it look good, that's what I do every single day. I help creators and business owners turn simple videos into content that gets attention and build authority. If you want me to personally check your page and tell you what's missing, just reach out to my business email or my Instagram. I'll personally review your content and give you a few ideas that can help you grow faster. So stop overthinking, start building, because 6 months from now, you'll either have a brand that pays you or excuses that don't. The choice is yours. Let's get to work.